You may have heard how the Metro Tunnel will be bringing you more trains more often. How we plan to do this all comes down to signalling. Think of signalling like your body's nervous system. It's not something you can easily see or touch, but it's essential for your body to function. There's a lot that goes into making sure trains run safely and efficiently. Take a look at how signalling worked almost 70 years ago.
The controller plots all the trains on a graph. He directs traffic from point to point. The controller gives orders to the signal boxes, where men turn his words to point and signal movements. They're making the road for the train. Black lever to set the points, blue to lock, red to set the signal. A bell warns the next box and, getting ready to take the train, the box returns the signal.
This is what's called a fixed block system, and though we've been using it for more than 100 years, technology has come a long way since. Here's how it works. Coloured light signals tell the driver when a train is permitted to operate over the sections of track, also known as signal blocks. The blocks are set at a fixed distance, and depending on the conditions, they determine how close trains can safely travel along the same line. In other words, if a section of track ahead of a train is occupied, the train can't move forward into the next block. Although this system is safe, it has limits. Because trains are separated by the length of the signal blocks, no matter how fast or slow they're travelling, this affects how frequently they can run. This is where next generation high-capacity signalling comes in. The moving block system monitors and controls both the location and speed of trains in real time, moving with the trains and allowing them to safely run closer together. It's a similar concept to the adaptive cruise control function in your car, which adjusts the speed according to a distance from the vehicle ahead. See how moving blocks work compared with the current fixed block signalling. The signal blocks keep a minimal distance between the trains, while moving blocks allow for more flexible movement. Notice the difference? Using specialised equipment, trains will wirelessly relay information to signalling control centres at Sunshine and Dandenong, where their progress is monitored in real time. This will enable trains to maintain safe stopping distances as they move along the network, guided by real-time data to dynamically adjust speeds and braking to move in relation to other trains. It'll also help network operators reduce the impacts of sudden delays or incidents. High-capacity signalling keeps trains moving both safely and more efficiently, enabling the Metro Tunnel the capacity to provide a true turn-up-and-go service. Or, in other words, more trains more often.